Ulat ke Jylla Meghalaya Satya Pal Malik habakren hakasngi sedang ke dorbar mangtingka jeng ke yeng dorbar tawain bahan riu pongut kidikot ula ong ba ke shongsuk shongsaiñ ke don ke Jylla wala ki don ke tu kat ni ki jingjia pynbthei bom IED hanong ba Shillong ula ong ba ke nyotrap National Liberation Council kalapha jing tho shaka sarkar Jylla ban pinpau ke jing thrang ban yakren yasuk klem da bu kendon ban nakaliang ke sarkar Jylla kalapha jing tho shaknat kampoi yang ke sarkar India ban penyat shakmat ya ke jing yakren yasuk.
The safety of citizens, peace and security are necessary for development. During 2021, the overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. There were very few incidents of IED blast triggered in Shillong city where attempts were made to disturb the peace. However, the situation was addressed and police acted swiftly and effectively to arrest the culprits involved. All national days were observed in a befitting manner, keeping in mind the 75th year of independence of our country and 50th year of statehood. All social, cultural and religious festivals were celebrated with traditional fervor and gaiety. The HNLC has written to the state government expressing its willingness to unconditional talks within the framework of the Constitution of India. The state government welcomes this move and has written to the Ministry of Home Affairs to take this process forward. This is a major development towards bringing about lasting peace in the state, and my government is committed to ensure that the peace talk reaches its logical conclusion.